Water, like religion and ideology, has the power to move millions of people. Since the very birth of human civilization, people have moved to settle close to it. People move when there is too little of it. People move when there is too much of it. People journey down it. People write, sing, and dance about it. People fight over it. And all people, everywhere and every day, need it. This journey starts 40 kilometers away from the heart of the capital city of India, wherein lies a lake. But this story is not just about the lake, but the entire ecosystem that grows with it. Dhamdama Lake is one of the biggest lakes in Haryana, residing in Sohna, Gurgaon district. It was built as a dam constructed by the British for rainwater harvesting in 1947. The lake, held by an embankment, is fed mainly by monsoon rain pouring into a trough at the base of the Aravalli Hills. Created originally for harvesting rainwater for irrigation in nearby fields, now the water levels have fallen and the purpose of the lake has been reduced to being just a tourist attraction. The Haryana State Tourism has put up resorts on the lakeside which attract vast crowd. This provides employment opportunities to extremely few from the village community, feeding to the likes of boat owner and camel owner.
84 पर ऐसे इतना ज्यादा आते थे क्या लोग हो गया
लोग पहले अपने बहुत आते थे।
पर पहले ज्यादा गंदा था या अभी गंदा जैसे जैसे वो आ रहे लोग और गंदा हो रहे हैं। एक बात आप बताइए, पहले जब ये लोग नहीं आते थे और अभी आ रहे हैं तो लोगों की आमदनी में बहुत फर्क पड़ा है क्या?
नहीं, आमदनी में कोई वो नहीं,
कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा है, बस ये जगह गंदी हो रही है, लोग एंजॉय करने जा रहे हैं।
Its original intent notwithstanding, the water from the lake no longer fulfills the water requirement of the people living around it. It seems to be a distant, shelled system of its own which fails to relate to the lives of the villagers. The people of the village are mainly daily wage workers who earn their bread by working at construction sites while a small portion works in the agricultural field. The water needs of the village are entirely dependent on tube wells drawing in groundwater from a depth of 400 feet, so much so that even the cattle bathe in it.
अच्छा, वो जो बगल में लेके दमदमा है, वहाँ से कुछ पानी कभी यूज होता है? आपने किया है कभी वहाँ का पानी लाया है? नहीं लाया। आपको कैसा लगता है, पानी गंदा है साफ?
हमें ऐसे तो कपड़े धोते हैं और धोते हैं
वहाँ पे कपड़े धोते हैं आप जाके।
The only connect that the Gram Panchayat has with the lake is through fisheries, which are yet again contracted to external agencies, taking away another income generating avenue for the village community. Open drains from the households serve as the only component of sewage network of the village, which then terminates in a stagnant pool very near to the lake, further increasing the chances of lake water contamination during monsoons. Although at present, water-related diseases are rare in the village.
The villagers sweep and maintain their own drains coming out of their houses. Although the government has employed 2 people for drainage management, it's insufficient for 6,000 people living in the village. The fisheries in the village are contracted out of the community by the government, so people fail to receive their full benefits. Waterborne diseases have not been so prevalent in the area, and thankfully so, because government health centers are far away, nearest one being at a distance of 1 kilometer.
The lake surfaced on the map as a potential tourist spot, but now the introduction of the tourists and the resorts further weakens the relationship of the villagers with the lake. Earlier, the lake was a part of the daily life of the community, fulfilling their water requirement in its own way.
आपका घर हमेशा से यहीं पे था, तो एकदम झील के एकदम बगल में होगा ना, तो अगर इधर उधर कहीं जाना होता था तो नाव में ही जाते थे। अब जब पहले पहले यहाँ पे आए थे और अभी जैसा है, तो उसमें उस समय और अभी में क्या क्या आपको अलग ऐसा लगता है? सब बहुत चीजें बदल गई होंगी।
सब चीज बदल गई। हाँ। अब तो सब चीज बदल गई।
अच्छा, पहले आपको क्या अच्छी लगती थी और अब क्या अच्छी लगती है?
अब कहाँ अच्छी लगे। यहाँ दुनिया भर के तो गुंडे बच्चे यहाँ में या कम्प्लेक्स में, पहले कोई नहीं आवे।
आपको नाम कैसा लगता है?
मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लगता। अच्छा ना लगे?
क्यों?
क्यों नहीं अच्छा लगता?
इसमें शराब ज्यादा पीते हैं तो लोग
अच्छा
सब झगड़ा करते हैं।
The present atmosphere inculcates a feeling of insecurity and mistrust, disturbing the sanctity of the village. The screeching speakers blurting out rap songs overshadow the song of the village.
ऊपर से मैं नीचे आई सास लयाए जगाई हिरर सास लयाए जगाई.
But as it is said, no one owns water. It might rise on your property, but it just passes through. You can use it, abuse it, but it is not yours to own. It is part of the global commoners, a part of our life support system. The symbiosis can only come in picture if one adds a meaning and purpose to the existence of the other. In spite of existing as a mere identity of its own, it can serve as a bonding spirit for the villagers and the nature. As it is said, water comes in and goes out of life. Cooking, farming, livestock, birth, and death. It revolves around these spheres. The government can help establish this connection by letting the economic sphere move in line with the hydrological cycle of the nature. Move as the water wants you to. Take it what it gives you and pay it back what it needs to get. Truly said, Pani bina na moti, na manas, na choon.